G'day. Today's Vaporooter case study is about blending both Vaporooter to stop tree roots in drains from the tree behind me and using pipe relining to repair a couple of broken sections of pipe in this particular drainage line. Now I'm in Watsons Bay in Sydney, Australia, and we were called here because there were repeat blockages caused by the tree behind us. Now the tree is a bit of a barrier between this building and that building. It creates a little bit of privacy for the different residents, and they don't really want to lose the tree. The pipes in this property that we've been looking after are old earthenware terracotta pipes, and to renew them would be a big deal. It would be lots of excavation and destruction to the footpath and the side of the house and disruption to the lives of the people here. So we put a camera through the pipe and we found that there were two sections of the pipe that were broken, and the rest of the line was affected by the roots from this umbrella tree. So it's a hybrid solution, but it's one that you might consider if your circumstance is similar. So what we did, we engaged a pipe reliner here last week, and they repaired two sections of the pipeline, and that's 4 or 5 days ago, and today we've applied Vaporooter to the sewer line of the rest of the property. So now they can rest easy. They know that the tree roots are prohibited from getting into the joints in the pipes, and the broken sections of pipe are not going to cause them any more problems in the future because they have been relined. So consider this. Sometimes we need a hybrid. Sometimes there's one size fits all, but not in this case. So our hybrid is a blend of pipe relining and Vaporooter. Vaporooter stops tree roots in drains. Now, if you're interested in finding out a little bit more about how to solve the tree root problem in the sewers at your place, call me on 1800 637 600 or go to vaporooteraustralia.com.au. And if you've learned a little from this YouTube video, then you might click the like button down below and maybe even subscribe to our channel. And thank you for listening.